Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to continue my presentation, especially in pengabdian masyarakat, ya. This is for community development, especially my project during this semester. With the title is an assistant on scientific article writing for junior high school teachers, especially in 2022, 20 and 22. So this assistant is important in scientific article writing because most teachers, especially in junior high school, they need to know about the ability of how to write well, especially in writing the research results. And some of them, many of them, what I mean here is they do not have enough time to do the research, and not only that, they need to know the way how to write the report results of research in the scientific article. So we need to help them on how to write scientific article in high school. Well, writing a scientific paper for high school are important because school teachers need to have a report of their research results and also the activities in the classroom, because it's necessary, especially on how to compose research easily and appropriately, especially in the 3 or 4 areas. Yeah, this is introduction section, the way how to introduce the article and some materials, and then the second is theoretical review, how to write theoretical theory underpinning the research, and then writing the results of the research, and also the way we discuss the results of the research, and the way how we conclude the paper. And the next is the method of this assistant project for junior high school. We have 2 complementary methods. First, we do the workshop, and the second is mentoring process for cycles of 15 teachers. So we take cooperate with 15 teachers of school in Mangrese and districts. And by using the descriptive analysis and the quantitative survey and qualitative interview data, the results show that encouraging and positive outcomes. We know that because this is combination of quantitative and qualitative paradigms, then we use first the activities by doing workshop, and then after the workshop finish, then we give them the questionnaire, and we would not only do the distributing the questionnaire, but we also do the interview after the questionnaires been distributed. Now we see the results that on average, 81.8% participants had positive perception on the domains of the writing in the introduction section, theoretical review, presentation of the results, and discussion and conclusion. So after the distribution of the questionnaire and they fill out the questionnaires there, we know that 81.8% they have a positive perception. After that, then we do the interview, and it confirmed that introduction section is and presenting the results are relatively stress-free to master. So I think for introduction section and presentation of the result are not quite difficult. However, the theoretical review section and determining research method are slightly difficult to do. This is based on the idea from the teachers. So they got the difficulties of how to review theoretical underpinning to support and have the supporting of research, and especially how to design the research. They have also got the. So taking into account, teachers often experience problem in integrating theoretical into practical things. So based on the interview results, many teachers, most of the teachers got the problems, especially of the integrating theoretical into practical thinking. So sometimes the risk, writing a risk needs the ability of how to combine between the theoretical and also the practical thing. So they got the difficulty. So when they read books for some purpose of the theoretical basis, and then they got the difficulties of how to implement those theoretical bases. And that is the problem. So this assistant seeks to help teachers solve learning problems through combination of theoretical and practical and written communication skill in the form of writing scientific articles. So this assistance is very much needed for the teachers of how to think scientifically and do the practices of the teachers well, because the teachers need a lot of assistance in this case. This is the result. So the point is that this assistant or it is good for the teachers to write to report the process of the teaching and learning process scientifically and report the results of their mini research for the teachers, and it is also useful for the academic and also functional steps of making the career better. I think this one is the presentation. Thank you.